Watch me turn into a werewolf, and I will haunt till the break of dawn. Don't you dare to try to stop me. This is the horn of the Black Swan.
Hey, what's up, Insomniacs? Midnight Sun 518 here, and we're just doing another quick, simple maintenance item for the Mazdaspeed. Super quick, super easy, nothing crazy. Just replacing the Serpentine belt, or the, what do they call it? The V-belt? Something like that. I don't know. Serpentine belt, drive belt, whatever. It's really not hard. Takes a little bit of effort, a little bit of muscling, and a little bit of ingenuity, because the new belt is shorter and smaller than the old one. But not too bad. So we're gonna hop right into it. Super quick, shouldn't take too long. But you need 2 people. 100% need 2 people. I would not have been able to do this without my buddy being here. So here we go. I don't know where the damn frame is. See that big ass fucking nut looking bitch that's sticking out on the pulley? No, further down. It's rusted out.
That shit.
Nope. Right in the center of my light.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure that's the tensioner pulley.
No.
Okay, so we need to get ourselves a 14mm, which I freaking hate that my table is so messed up, aka my door, because I can't do anything if there's stuff all in the way. All right. The magic wand. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm hoping that we don't have to really do anything crazy in here. Okay, so underneath the passenger side of the car here, whoop, the tensioner, so this is the front of the car that way, is gonna be 1, 2, 3rd pulley back right here. How the fuck? Okay, so just to fucking show what the hell we did, because I didn't film literally any of that. All right, so tensioner pulley is that one all the way down there in the back. Down here. It is that one right there, okay? Closest to the CV. So you push to the left, you push your wrench towards the back of the car in order to release tension. There's a little dial on it that tells you that. Now, the new belt's tight as shit, and so I found a hack on YouTube where if you undo these 3 bolts right here, just loosen them. You loosen that one, but leave it in. This one comes out, and this one comes out. This will tilt this pulley closer towards the left, right? Bringing it less tension. And basically, you can push down on that tensioner belt, and then obviously you need 2 people for this. Shove this back up in the direction towards the engine and thread one of these in. Now these are 12mm, and yeah, it worked surprisingly well. And the belt is fully installed. Now when it comes to the way that the belt goes over each of the pulleys, I have no freaking idea. We made it work following just a diagram that we found on Google. So that is what I would recommend. But I'm gonna get these 12mm thrown back together. We're gonna get it off the jack, and then we're gonna crank it. Run? Oh, it didn't even beep at me. Lower it down. I saw a dude that stuck a, I forget what size socket, maybe like a 22mm, and it hooks right into the edges of the little circle here and just put a drill on it, which works.
That is one way to work it.
Wow. Yeah, look at all those cracks. Yeah, that's no bueno. Sweet. Well, let's get the cats out of the garage and then we'll crank it.
Big cracks.
Oh boy. I thought they were talking about the back when they said it was cracking, so when I looked at it, I was like, the fuck are you talking about? Cool. We'll get the cats out of the garage. One final double check. Making sure. Let me get my flashlight again. Ready? Got the key. Here we go. Nice. So if I pull this up right here, which is the service advisor bullshit, reading through here, drive belt, $219. You saw the video. It took 10 minutes, maybe, once we figured out how to route the new belt, and a little bit of muscle effort, and the fact that I had to wear a glove because my little hands are, you know, weak. Yeah, $219. I think I spent maybe 30 bucks on the belt. I don't know. It'll be down in the description for you guys. But that was not worth friggin' $190 in labor. We didn't take anything apart. All we did was lift a corner of the car to be able to get under it to reach the tensioner pulley. So I have no idea why that cost $219, but do the maintenance yourself and you will save so much money. All the monies that you can put into new parts. So it'll be pretty sick. Well, there you have it. That's replacing the drive belt or serpentine belt for the Mazdaspeed Gen 2. It should be the same if you have a Gen 1 Mazda 3 or Mazdaspeed, or if you just have a regular Mazda 3. I can't imagine that the engine changed all that much, but like I said, took a little bit of effort. Sorry for the crappy kind of footage. You know, I'm gonna edit it to the best of my abilities to make it something worthwhile for you guys to actually look at. But yeah, if you have any questions, please drop a comment and I will do my best to answer them. And I can easily make a short, you know, showing you any pictures or something else if it helps for you guys to see. So yeah, do the maintenance yourself, guys. It's cheaper and honestly kind of fun. So with that, catch you guys next time. Midnight Sun out.